Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever.
To start, I've already imported 3 clips onto my timeline. Now head over to the project panel, make a new adjustment layer, and then drag it right above video layer 1. Now extend this layer to match the duration of these 3 clips. Once that's done, go to the Windows menu and bring up the Lumetri color panel. In the basic correction section, start by lowering the contrast, shadows, and whites, while increasing the blacks. Moving on to the creative section, reduce the saturation. If you're aiming for a black and white effect, you can drop it all the way to 0. And also let's bump up the vibrance a bit. Next, head over to the effects panel and search for the Gaussian blur effect. Double-click to apply it, and while you're at it, add the noise effect too. Then, switch to the Effect Controls panel and set the blurriness to 8. I'm setting the noise amount to 20%. If the noise isn't obvious at first glance, try zooming in the preview monitor to 100%. Now you should clearly see the noise effect. Actually, I've decided to tweak things a bit. Let's change the noise amount to 24% and adjust the blur to 6. For an extra touch, grab the Type tool to add some text. You can bring up the Essential Graphics panel from the window menu to adjust the font family, font size, alignment, text color, and whatever else you need. On the second clip, I'll change the text and its styles. Now, let's add an old film grain overlay. To get rid of the black color, set the blend mode to screen. Then, overlay an 8mm film effect on top of that. All these overlays are available on YouTube. To remove the green background, add the Ultra Key effect, and use the eyedropper tool to pick that green color. I only want this overlay on the first and last clips, so I'm removing it from the second one. Finally, at each transition, add camera shutter sound effect. And this is what you will end up with.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever.